guest, Madam Nelly Ahmed, our principal, Ma'am Moshami, and Vice Principal Anjan sir, who has arrived to grace this occasion, to be followed by the General Salute.
School Subtan! School Vishram! School Subtan! School General Salute! Salami Lega! Salami Cha!
A very good morning to everyone present here. I, Anvisha Bora of Class 12, on behalf of the whole Marius family, welcome all of you to the 79th Independence Day celebration at Marius Public School. We will also be having the March Past competitions between the houses, the NCC members, and the Scouts and Guides today. We start the program with Ryan Vora and Paki Sinapati to sharing the significance of this day.
Good morning to one and all. Today, as we gather to celebrate our 79th Independence Day, I had the honor of speaking on India's journey for freedom. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living?" These words remind us that our independence was not a gift. It was earned through struggle, sacrifice, and unshakable hope. 79 years ago, at the stroke of midnight, India awoke to freedom. Our flag rose high, the air was filled with joy, yet our nation stood wounded. Scarred by the partition, drained by years of exploitation and uncertain of the road ahead. We had little, a weak economy, high poverty, low literacy and fragile unity. But we had something stronger than all these challenges, the unbreakable spirit of the Indian people. Our road to freedom had been long. Mahatma Gandhi led with non-violence, Subhash Chandra Bose inspired with his call, and fearless patriots like Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sardar Patel and Jawaharlal Nehru gave everything they had for a free India. Some fought with peaceful protest, others with revolution, but all fought for one dream, an India that could stand tall among nations. And stand tall we have. From that first day in 1947, we have built the world's largest democracy and risen to become the fifth largest economy. Our scientists have reached Mars and the moon, our farmers have fed the nation, our soldiers have guarded our borders, and our entrepreneurs have taken Indian innovation to the world. The Green Revolution ended food shortages, the White Revolution made us the largest milk producer, and our digital revolution has connected villages to the globe. But true patriotism means we also see our challenges. Poverty, inequality, unemployment, and the need for better education still remain. Yes, we are growing, but not everyone is growing equally. One powerful step forward is the new education policy, which makes learning more flexible, skill-based, and creative. It moves us away from rote memorization and encourages critical thinking and problem solving. But for it to succeed, it must reach every child in every city and village. And here lies our role as students. We must be curious learners, ask questions, help one another, and shape an India that is not only developed, but also inclusive, innovative, and just. So, this Independence Day, let us not only celebrate our freedom, let us protect it, strengthen it, and pass it on brighter than we received it. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Greetings to everyone and a very happy Independence Day. I would like to start by a quote by the first Prime Minister of this country, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. India will awake to life only when the poorest of the poor wakes to life and freedom. Respected teachers, my friends and fellow citizens of India. Today we stand 79 years after our tryst with destiny. In 1947, our forefathers gifted us freedom, a priceless jewel earned through sacrifice, unity, and relentless courage. Yet, as we stand here today, we must admit that our journey is not yet complete. The chains of foreign rule may be gone, but the chain of poverty, inequality, and injustice still holds parts of our nation bound. We still see villages without clean water, children deprived of education, corruption eating away at trust, unemployment stealing the dignity of youth, and communal divisions threatening the harmony that is our greatest strength. We still see women denied safety and support, farmers struggling in despair, our environment gasping the breath amidst pollution and neglect. And yet, I refuse to give in to despair. For the words in Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day no child in India will be kept away from school because of poverty. I have a dream that one day the farmer in Punjab, the fisherman in Kerala, and the artisan in Rajasthan will all live with dignity and pride in their labor. I have a dream that one day our daughters will walk freely in every street of this country without fear in their hearts. I have a dream that one day our rivers will be clean, our skies will be blue, and the air will be pure for every breath we take. I have a dream that one day politics will be the language of service, not division, and leadership will be measured not by power but by integrity. I have a dream today, ladies and gentlemen. I have a dream that the word India will not just mean the land of history and culture, but the greatest example of equality, unity, and justice on earth. I have a dream that the world will look at India not for its problems, but for its solutions. But ladies and gentlemen, I do fear to dream this one thing. I fear to dream a world where women are truly empowered, because I have seen harsh reality. Women being objectified, women striving to rise, and yet other women pulling their own kind. It pains me to witness how instead of standing together, we sometimes become each other's biggest obstacles. True empowered cannot exist without unity, not just as a nation, but as women standing shoulder to shoulder, lifting each other up. We must understand that our strength lies in solidarity. Not only together can we fight for the empowerment that all women deserve. And when this dream is fulfilled, when poverty is defeated, when discrimination is erased, when opportunities flow like Ganga to every corner of this land, and most importantly, when we learn to empower the women of our country, then and only then will we be truly free. For freedom is not merely the absence of chains, it is the presence of dignity, equality, and hope for every citizen. This is the India I dream of. This is the India we must build together. Thank you.
Thank you, Ryan and Paki. Now, I request our chief guest, Madam Nelian, to hoist the national flag. I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
स्कूल राष्ट्र सल्यूट सलामी देगा सलामी छह
a proud moment for all of us as we celebrate the 79th Independence Day of India. Thank you, Madam Chief Guest. Next, we have the inspection, followed by the march past.
जय हिंद श्री राम। एक परेड कमांडर, 6 प्लाटून कमांडर, अन्य 95 छात्र, कुल 102 छात्र स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड के निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है। श्री राम। श्रीमान।
Joydeep Day, NCC Commander, Harshita Burman, Flag Holder. Shreyansh Yadav, Manas Commander, Arish Hussain, Flag Hussain. Chow Himarnav Kowar, Nameri Commander, Shudanik Talukdar, Flag Holder. Sunasta Mege, Chattinga Commander, Rex Mege, Flag Holder. Destik Sostik, Orang Commander, Anish Bora, Flag Holder. Devarsh Boro, Scouts and Guides Commander, Tejaswini Saikya, the Flag Holder. That was Nishan, the Central Commander.
Squad, Tigers! Squad, bicep, digital!
Thank you. Now, may I request our Chief Guest, Neri Ma'am, to come and forward and speak a few words of occasion.
Goal! Benedict!
Commanders, take your position. Commanders, come and take your position.
Good morning, everyone. The faculty members, sub-staff, and the students. On this proud occasion of the 79th Independence Day, I extend my warmest wishes to each one of you. Today we salute the countless sacrifices that have gifted us the freedom we enjoy. This day is not just a celebration of our past. It is also a reminder of our responsibility towards the future. As students, you can give back to the nation in many simple yet powerful ways. By being sincere in your studies, respecting diversity, preserving our environment, helping those in need, and upholding integrity in all that you do. Every act of kindness, every effort to learn, and every choice to stand by for what is right contributes to building a stronger India. To all faculty members, continue to instill the right values. Be perfect examples for students to emulate, and this undoubtedly is your biggest contribution to nation building. Freedom is not just the gift we inherit, it is the responsibility we uphold by learning, teaching, and living in a way that makes our nation proud. Let us pledge to be citizens who not only dream of a better India, but also work with each day to create it. Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Parishmita Deka will perform a solo dance in front of us.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तने आजा जरी और नीले आसमाने के तने आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तने आजा जरी और नीले आसमाने के तने रत्ती सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है नच नच कौलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने धूपों से उड़ा दी ये तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है
Thank you for the lovely performance.
बुलाया हो जाग जनता बुलाया পোহৰানুতা ৰামৰে দেশতে থকা ৰাৱণ বধতে যায় যদি যায় জীৱনটো যাক দিন না কই আহ ও আহ আহ বুলায়া সজাগ জনতা আহ আহ বুলায়া পোহৰানুতা ৰামৰে দেশতে থকা ৰাৱণ বধূতে যায় যদি যায় জীৱনটো যাক
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो
है वतन मेरे वतन
है वतन मेरे वतन
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू
है वतन मेरे वतन
है वतन मेरे वतन
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ
तुझे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू
कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन है वतन
So all the contingents can be ready. A very good morning to one and all present here, and a very happy 79th Independence Day. I must admit that the students, the cadets from each house, NCC for the first time, Scout and guides, it's really fantastic. So the effort that you have been putting up for last 15 days, and it's really culminated in a very good manner. You have come out to achieve your success. I must say the March past was excellent. All the contingents were so good. A big round of applause to all the candidates. I also would like to thank all the sports teachers, Dulal Dasra, who are behind the scene, guiding you, teaching you, and to bring you up to this level. Thank you, teachers, all the sports teachers. Now it's time to declare the result, but I'd like to request our founder and managing trustee, Nelly ma'am, and principal Mausuli ma'am to come and declare the result. Please, ma'am.
While we wait with bated breath, yes, your performance was excellent, I would say. Thank you, students, for being here and for your wonderful performance. And I must say, teachers have done a great job when you see the outcome of the March past that was held. And it took me back many years when there was hardly anybody when we were celebrating Independence Day. And today I and Maushami Madam stand here to declare the results. I'm sure all of you must be waiting. Okay, now I would like to declare the Scouts to get the second position 178, sorry. Big hand for them. Girl Scouts, very nice, little boys.
Group bicep.
Now comes the final of the first two were NCC and Scout. Now NCC gets 192. Well done, NCC. Very well done. And I want you all to be so perfect that tomorrow you will be requested to represent the school and the state to be in New Delhi. Yes, we will hope for that. Thank you. Yeah. Can you come over here and take the trophy?
NCC commanders can please come forward. Vishan.
Vishan, come.
I just would like to tell you that the competitions were in two levels, one Scout and NCC, which are professional, and the other competition will be among the houses, 4 houses.
Congratulations. Well done, NCC. Very good. Congratulations. You deserve a salute.
Yes.
Yes. A big salute to the whole troop.
Ma'am.
Raise it up. Yeah.
Unity, discipline, dedication, and most importantly, patriotism. And that is what really tugged at my heart. It was wonderful. In fact, Nelly ma'am and Anjan sir, we were talking. What a fantastic display it was. And I wish each one of you for putting up with this brilliant display. Thank you so much. Now the results. The first, or shall I start with the fourth prize? Fourth prize? Should I start with the fourth prize? Okay. The fourth prize goes to Manas House with 174 points. A big round of applause because it was very difficult for us to choose. You were all extremely good. Second goes to Jatinga with 184 points. 184. A louder round of applause maybe. And third goes to Nameri with 177 points. And the winner is Orang House with 187 points. Congratulations to all the houses. Now Orang House, please come forward to claim your prize. And I would also like to request the sports teachers to come to the forefront because you also deserve a huge round of applause. All the sports teachers.
Very good. It was fantastic.
Do I give it to you or I will keep it? Yay!
Hey, all of